Welcome! In front of me I have Withings Move watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, we need to download and install the Withings Health Mate application on our Android phone. So let's open the Google Play Store, tap on the search, type in Withings Health Mate and tap search. You should see this application, Withings Health Mate. Now you can tap on the install button to download and install the application. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the application, tap on continue, and here we can either use the email address to log in, or you can use the Google account. Select the option you like. I'm just gonna tap right here, enter the email address, and then tap on continue. Now I'm gonna get the verification code on the email I provided. And once you get the code, simply enter it and tap next. After you log in, tap on devices, tap on install a device. Here select the watches category, and then scroll down and select Withings Move. Now tap on install, tap on next, allow the permission for the location, and then tap next. For some reason the app didn't detect our watch. Let's try again. I'm gonna press the side button on the watch. Maybe this will wake up the watch or something. Oh, now it detected our product. So if the application has a problem with detecting your watch, try pressing and holding the button for a couple of seconds. After the app detects your watch, tap on next, tap on pair, then tap next. And here we can select the user. We have the one that we used to log in, or you can add another user if you want by tapping on add another user and typing in the name. I'm just gonna select this one. As you can see, the hands on the watch are adjusting. Now they should be pointing, the two should be pointing to 12, and this one should be pointing to 0, the yellow one. If they're not, you can tap on no, and you can adjust it manually by using this slider. And then you can tap next. It's gonna use the different hand, adjust it, then next, and adjust this one like this. And once you're done, tap on next. Now the watch should be displaying the correct time. If it is, you can tap on next. If not, tap on try again and realign the hands. Now let's tap on next. Here you can tap on next and select the activity goals. You have 3 of them. Select the one, tap next. Here we can set up the daily step goal. You can tap right here, I believe, and you can adjust it like that, then tap OK. Tap on next, tap next, next, next. Basically you have a tutorial how to use the watch. Next, and then tap on let's begin. And now when you tap on devices, you should see the device page for your Withings Move. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.